Hey everyone, I am Saran. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the overall for the development chart or the map. I hope the previous video related to the overall for the process chart was helpful to you. So I have come up with a new video for the development chart. As I have explained the difference between the map and the development chart in the previous video, you can check it out. The first thing you will write down for the overall is overall, what stands out of the given development chart or map is that you can use these lines in any of the overall you are writing for the development chart or for any other graph you are given with, right? So, what you will observe is before writing the development chart overall, what things you will observe is on the basis of which your overall will be written are these. You will ask these questions to yourself. First of all, most noticeable differences between the two maps. You will notice this thing that what are the major differences you are able to observe between the two maps provided to you, right? Next, ask yourself questions. First is the map more or less residential? You will compare both of the development charts given to you. In this, for example, is it having more residential area or this map is having more greenery? So you can write this difference, right? Is the map more or less residential? Next question maybe, is there more or less countryside? It means villages type, right? Towns, small towns. Next maybe, are there more or less trees? This is related to this, right? You can write the area consists of more greenery in 2008, but now it has been more residential, right? Were the changes dramatic or negligible, right? Dramatic means major changes you were able to observe, and the negligible changes, you can say minor changes which are not catchable, or you are not able to make any major difference between the both. Were there any major improvements in the infrastructure? You can write it as well, right? How have the buildings and the leisure facilities changed? Or you can ask the question, in which direction most of the changes are observed? I hope you all know the directions as north, south, east and west, right? So according to these directions, you can also write that most of the changes were observed in the east side of the given development chart, right? So I will provide you with the example sentences on the basis of which you can make your overall more effective. Moving to the example sentences for overall, for map or the development chart, the first is, the central business district was completely modernized during the time period. Completely modernized. This is the subject you will change according to the development chart provided to you. This is the name, right? So you will change it. You will not copy as it is. You have to make changes according to the map you are provided with, according to the question you are provided with. But you can use these words by observing, right? Is it more modernized compared to the previous development chart you are provided with, right? Or you can write, during the 10-year period, the industrial area was totally transformed. You can write this, totally transformed, right? From this to this year, the city center saw spectacular developments. Spectacular developments. So these are the major words which can make a huge difference between the effective and the non-effective overall you have written in your exam, right? The village changed considerably over the time period. For example, it was a village or town in the previous year, but in the next year which you are provided with, in that was totally modernized with new facilities, right? New leisure facilities were opened up, so you can write that. Next comes, over the period, the area witnessed dramatic changes. I hope you all know that how we use these time frames, right? I have discussed these in my previous video. You can check them out. That was the video for the development chart, that how to write development chart. You can check in that. the vocabulary part. Next comes between 2000 and 2008, the Australian sector almost remained unchanged. That no major changes were observed. I have written all these sentences on the basis of questions I have shown you earlier. Right? The city used to be very green, but it has become much more residential. Hopefully you remember the example of trees, and now this consists of the more housing complexes, right? So you can write this. Next comes, town used to be underdeveloped. This is very important, you can use this. Town used to be underdeveloped, but in the last 10 years, it has undergone significant transformations. This is very good one, right? Next you may write is, most of the transformations were observed in the west side of the given development chart. As I have told you, you can write according to the directions you are provided with. Right? That most of the transformations were observed in west side. Right? I hope you have understood how to use these sentences by observing your development chart. Now I will show you the examples of the complete overall you can write. Overall, what stands out of the given development chart or map is that the Australian zone used to be quite underdeveloped. It has undergone spectacular transformations to become a modernized area with many new facilities opening up. So I have used this sentence, right, with some of the changes in it. Spectacular transformations I have written, then to become modernized area with many new facilities opening up. So this is the perfect overall you can write for the development chart, in which you are not providing the data, but you have explained it fully to the highest level you can. Examiner will be quite impressed if you write the overall like this. Or it may be like, overall, the town has most notably shown an increase in housing development, or you can write it as residential area, which indicates a higher population and a more away from agriculture and farming over the period of 2 decades. So this is the only example that in this year there was more greenery, more agricultural field was there, but in this year there are more residential housing complexes available. So you can write this. There is a considerable change that you can observe, and you can write this overall for that. Try to make effective overalls by using these example sentences. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Stay tuned.